Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set North America 5 by 7 paper size in Excel. So very easily you can set it. First you need to click on here page layout. Now click on size. Now scroll at the last and you see this North America 5 by 7 this paper size. So just click on it to set it. If you not find here you can click on here more paper size, just click on here and scroll in the last and you find this option, this North America 5 by 7. Just select it and click on OK. So this very simple and easy method you can set this paper size. So thanks for watching this video.